Okay, I battled with getting labels of books and kitchen utensils and pots and all those Tupperware that you buy, and it's got a huge sticky label on it. I battled with that for years, and I've only recently applied my own tip, which is just to use WD-40. So this is a jam jar that's already been through the dishwasher, which has removed the paper label, but it's left that really sticky glue, and you can kind of rub it off with a nail. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's just easier and quicker to use WD-40, and it's more thorough. You can scratch away, but you never seem to get that last bit. So let's spray some of that on. It's just coming up straight off. I mean, it's I've used it for years on getting those purchase labels, price stickers off books, and that's really effective. So anyway, that now needs to be washed in soap again, and let's see how that goes. So anyway, wash that in soapy water, rinsed it off, and I've rubbed it with paper towels, and that's good to go now. I'll probably put it back in the dishwasher just to make sure it's 100% clean of everything, and then it's ready to be used for making jam or whatever else I need to use it for. It really does work. This is not fluff. WD-40 really will shift that glue, and it will shift it off surfaces that are actually harder to get it off than glass. Some of the plastic Tupperware, the glue sticks even harder for some reason. Okay, bye.